Today, we are tackling 3 essential commands in AutoCAD: copy, move, and erase. Struggling to control your object? It's easier than you think. Let's take a shot. First up is the copy command. This lets you create duplicate of objects without changing the original. That is, we can create a duplicate of this object and place it here. To create a copy of this object, we highlight the object and type in CO. Press in enter. It's going to activate the copy command. Then we choose a base point, any point we want to copy from, like here, and we drag the object to where we want it. If we want a specified distance, we can type in a distance. Let's say 18 meters, and we type in enter. We have created a copy of this. We can equally access the copy command by going to our home tab and moving to this icon here, which is copy. Then we can just highlight over our object and right click. Do the same thing. I'll be able to create another copy. Next is the move command, which is essential for precise positioning. To use the move command, we can move to our home tab and move to this icon here, which is the move command. You can click on it, select the object, right click, and choose a base point. We can decide to move this object 7 meters. So if we type in 7 meters, the object is going to move 7 meters. We can equally access the move command by typing in M on our keyboard and selecting over the object. We right click and we choose a base point, and we can move the object back 7 meters to its initial position. The next command we'll look at is the erase command. To access the erase command, we come up to the home tab and click on the pencil icon here. Then we can click on any object we want to erase. We want to erase this one, then you press enter, going to erase. So you can reactivate the command by using a space bar and erasing other objects you will not want. And there you have it. Now you can copy, move, and erase in AutoCAD like a pro. Master these formats and you will see a huge improvement in your drawing efficiency. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips. See you next time.